start with a demo of my code. So I'm going to load in the little guessing game. Let's play a game. I think I'm going to start out guessing 50. Too high. 25. Still too high. How about 10? Too low. 17. Too high. 14. Correct. Great job. Yay. Okay, let's play it again. I'm going to start out with 90 this time. Too high. 50. Too low. 75. Too low. 85. Too high. Oh, 3 guesses remaining. 80. Too low. 83. Correct. Great job. Okay, wait. I wanna demo getting it wrong. So let me just put some like really stupid answers for a bit. One guess remaining. Too low. Yeah, you ran out of guesses. The answer was 31. Okay, so let me explain how this code works and how I wrote it. So we're here. I start by importing random and just randomly generating the number that the computer is going to be thinking, that the code is going to be thinking about. So I do the like random range thing, and since that's a number between 0 and 1, then I multiply it by 100 to be able to scale it as like a number between 1 and 100. And then I have to round it so that it's actually like an integer and not like a crazy decimal place. Okay, and I call that the secret number. Then I have the starting message. I print the starting message, and I created this counter to be able to keep track of how many guesses the player has. So I have this while loop which runs when the length of the list counter is less than 7. So counter starts out with 0, but as the game progresses and you guess more, the counter goes up. So guess is equal to your input, and if the integer value of your guess, because guess starts out as a string, and I need to convert it to integer to be able to compare with secret number. So if your guess is equal to the secret number, it prints correct and breaks the loop. So the program is over. Otherwise though, if your guess is less than or greater than, what it'll do is first, it'll add that guess to the counter. So then it'll print if it was too low or too high. And I also included this little thing where it displays how many guesses you have left, which is done by 7 minus how many objects are in the counter. And then if you haven't guessed the secret number within 7 guesses, so when the counter has 7 objects inside of it, it prints you ran out of guesses, sorry, and then it tells you what the secret number was, and then it exits the program.